The F-16 Fighting Falcon is primarily a single-engine multi-role fighter aircraft of the United States Air Force. It can fly and strike in any weather anywhere in the world. Ukraine, has recently been attacked by Russia, has requested this fighter jet from the United States, but the US doesn't want to give it to Ukraine right now. Let's find out how powerful this modern warplane is. Lockheed Martin manufactures the latest fighter jet F-16. The F-16 is highly successful in air-to-air attacks. F-16 as night vision is quite powerful. That means it can attack with the same force even at night. It has all kinds of weapons like cannons, missiles, bombs. The F-16 has a 20mm M61 Vulcan cannon on the left wing. The F-16 as cannon has a rate of fire of 6,000 rounds per minute. Its cockpit is very advanced. It has multifunctional display. This allows the pilot to view the superimposed radar data. The F-16 radar is very powerful. This aircraft has vertical stabilizer. The 360-degree view is possible even during combat. More than 4,600 F-16s have been built since production was authorized in 1976, but the US Air Force no longer buys it. Its improved version is sold to various countries. General Dynamics sold its aircraft manufacturing business to Lockheed Corporation in 1993. Lockheed Martin became part of Martin after the merger with Martin Marietta in 1999. This fighter jet is capable of targeting any moving object on the ground, flying 14 kilometers per hour. Experts place the F-16 ahead of many modern fighter jets in air combat. In addition, the weapons capacity and capability of the F-16 is incredible. The F-16 can carry 22,082 kg of explosive. The official name of F-16 Fighting Falcon.